So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand disk drives. And now you want to find your SSD. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. You want to select disk drive or the model that you think is most applicable to you. Once you select that, you want to click on next. You want to update your drivers. We can now close out of this. If it asks you to restart your computer, click on no. We're not going to restart it yet. Next, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space. And now your SSD drive letter. For me, it's going to be C:/ space /F space /R. And then click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So for me, I'm going to restart my computer. Keep on watching the video. It's now restarting. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.